Myntri katrat pule puthi ura khame sangma ulai alam lenti da ka Nuksa baula Phah Skul ya ka Khun da ka boss Skul pan I ya ki nong shlong bakin bu kajing shania ha ki boss pala pan thet kerpang da ka sarkar kane kalami namar ka jingduna palat ki nong shlong ban shim ya ka kabu ha ka ban pindan kam ya ki boss Skul bala thet da ka sarkar hapok ka sustainable transport and efficient mobility society stems program house nem balala ban kit ki khna Skul da ka thong ban la penduna ya ka jingdheng kali hapok ka nong ba kumuk pa bodon ka jingkit khli ura kham ula ong ba uju let ban on man la ka sngi ya la ka Khun hadu ka jaka ban wan shaw ka boss pat kan poi sa Skul ula ong bakane ka de namar ba usanya hakarukom penyai na ba kine ki boss kide ki balakmi da ki tracking system ula ong ba utip ba kine ki boss ki la poi ne am sa Skul pat kanu baje kalawan pai pat ki don ki po GPS hakine ki boss kumta ula ong ba udon kajing shenya hakarukom penyai
I personally, when I have enough time, I'm just monitoring the growth and the development of my daughters, my children. Therefore, I personally dropping my daughter at the bus pickup point at the was Lake every morning at 7 a.m. because and sending in the bus and in the evening she's coming back in the bus only. So like because I have a confidence in the system in the bus because being monitored with a tracking system, I knows where this bus has reached, whether it has reached the school or not, what time it's coming back. So this GPS, I don't know the GPS system is there in the bus, so I can understand what time bus will reach and where it is stuck now. So therefore, I just trust in the system and also it's time like to call it save the time also because if we drop her to the school, I have to assign extra person to drop her again and to bring her back, and in the process, I have to spend another vehicle, right? Expend another extra funds.
But we have seen that the school buses that the government is offering to the people, there is very less takers. What do you have to say?
Look, I don't know the reason, but I think government has prepared all measures so that the system will work properly. GPS system, GPS tracking system, as I've said, every parents can track where children has reached the school or not, and are coming back. Always. So I think so. And initial last year there was a few taker, but this time I've been informed that the response is so good for the STEM bus that has been introduced by the government. I think this time is going good.
So that means people are coming out of their fear of, their children being targeted for by antisocial elements.
Yeah. Look, in the if we talk in terms of rural have more confidence in the system. We send our children to the school. Earlier we have I don't know what went wrong. Earlier we used to send our parents used to send I mean to the school on their own. But these days in the city especially, parents used to drop the children to the school and go back to pick them up back. So I think we have to engaging extra people in the process. We need extra vehicle, extra people to come and drop it back. What is happening? Of course, this development is good because they are caring more to the growth of the children. But however, in the city, like government has introduced that the school bus system, I think which the whole objective is to minimize the traffic also. I think it's a very good idea, good system. I think parents should not have any doubt on the system. So government has make sure that every the safety measures about all the factors so that it will move very smoothly. I think the parents should not have any doubt in the system. Government has those who are running the bus has engaged has special trained people to look after the children to drop and bringing back. So I think so. I think I would encourage all the parents of the city. I think we should not have any doubt in the questions of the system. The best possible system thing has been adopted. I also personally sending my daughter in the bus to the school, and because in the school there's a teacher also. There's the teachers of that school also where I'm sending now, and they will bringing back. So I think the system is I don't I'm I trust in the system. So I think this is the whole idea.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I'm happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CN helpline call center